This is by far, I think, my favorite one out here. Absolutely. Man, this thing is going to be so sweet. What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel, guys. We are headed over to Dover's. We haven't been out there in a while, so we're going to head out there. We're going to check out what's going on out there. I've got something I've been meaning to bring him for his F100 project. We're going to check that out and check out some other projects going on out there and get you guys updated with what's going on out there. All right, so we're going to get the box out of the trunk that I brought Dover. Actually, as you know, on his F100, he is putting my helmet, put it in the car for right now. Never know when I'm going out of town and going to a drag strip and I want to go out there, so I always keep that in the trunk. But Dover is putting a Roush blower on his F100, and he was needing, let me get this down, he was needing a heat exchanger, and this is actually the stock Roush heat exchanger that comes with the Roush kit when you get it for an S550. I told him he could have it and use it, so we're gonna get him this real quick. And there he is right there. All right, shut up. Here you go. This is what I was telling you. Yeah, like I said, for what you're doing, I think it'll do fine.
It's good to me.
Yeah, there's a heat exchanger, and then nice, huh? Here's the hoses and stuff I didn't use when I got the VMP triple pass. And then there's some bracket for the, there's a pump bracket if you can use that in some boats. Oh, let's go check it out.
Yeah, so that probably gonna be one of them like I put on the. It's probably even better, huh?
Yeah, they're not. They don't take up a lot of room, and they're the, you know, like I was telling them, they're the stock. If you get a Roush kit, that's what comes with it on the, for like a S550 Roush kit.
There's my radiator fans.
Oh man, that's sweet.
It's one of the few parts I've got in. That's
Man, that is nice. Where'd you get that from?
Amazon.
Oh, that's sweet. I like how, I like that, all that right there. That is nice.
Of course, I'm putting AC on it too. I got my vintage air ordered. It's coming. I got a gas tank coming. I haven't done that yet. I've got the supercharger bolted on. We set the motor back.
All right, so where did the motor use? The motor used to sit further up.
You can kind of tell from the other side better.
Okay.
Like you can see here, this is where my motor mount sat in.
Mm-hmm.
We went up and back to here.
I like that.
So it's 5.5 inches back and then up, you know, 2 or 3 inches there.
Well, I knew when you had it in here before, when you had the cab sitting on here, it was way forward and you had all that room back here.
It's like here's the cab.
Yeah.
You can see all this.
So now you got all the room up here to put everything, which is absolute. Man, this thing is going to be so sweet. All right, guys, we're going to go in here and check out some of the progress in here. We haven't been here in a long time. There's Tay. There is Caleb, the man himself, the legend.
Yo! You doing good over there?
I haven't heard anything break, so I think
He ain't heard anything break.
Kid, I thought you were going to help me with this carpet, man.
I did help you with the carpet. I helped you get it in there.
Kid, I can't do this.
The what?
I can't do this without you, man.
All right, hold on. Guys, if you haven't been watching Foxcast channel, if you're not watching Foxcast, go check them out. But this was Miss Foxcast father's car that he bought brand new. Caleb tracked this car down and bought it back, and is slowly bringing the car back to all of its glory. And we just put this brand new carpet in it. Oh, you're having the fun right now.
Oh yeah, getting around that shifter.
You're having fun right now. You need to let the glove box down, bub.
Yep. Got to put the e-brake up too.
Yep. Hold on. Hold on.
Not allowed to film anymore. He has to help me.
Hold on. There we go. There we go. There we go. And all right. Let me put this down, guys. You're right here. Your glove box got to come down.
Yeah. That's it.
Yeah.
Okay.
a little bit. There we go. All right, guys. So we been a little busy. We got the console in. We got the seats in. We got everything like this. I have not sat in a. Let's get in one. Let's get in here. Oh yeah.
What do you think, dude? 89 GT.
89 GT.
505.
My very first Mustang was an 89 GT, 505 speed. There we go. I'm short. I had to scoot the seat up.
I'll let you start it, but the battery's off.
Love it.
Old school, baby.
Man. Maybe one day I'll be back in one.
Yeah. Don't wait too long, man. Things get so hard to find.
That's the thing about Fox bodies is they are extremely hard to find in good shape.
Well, you asked me earlier would I have bought this if it wasn't her dad's car that he bought brand new.
Exactly, guys. So the car is not in, you know, like I said earlier, he's kind of bringing it back, but go check out his videos on this car where they picked it up and everything, and you'll kind of see it had like they had the saline wing, the cow hood, and he's kind of bringing it back to stock. Even put the turbines on it, which I actually dig, guys. I don't know how y'all feel about it, but I dig the stock turbines.
Most people hate them.
I don't know. I kind of dig them because they bring back, you know, when they sit on the dealership brand new, they bring it back. I dig it.
Look what we found in the.
So you found another piece of the puzzle.
I'm not sure what this is off of, but it's off of 93.
You can just get another sticker for that if you want to.
Yeah, I can
You're
order it.
correct. But guys, go check out his videos on this. He's got a whole video series where the steps it took him to find the car, going and picking up the car, and they're bringing it back. So definitely want to go check out all those videos on this car, and I'll get around it as much as I can and keep you guys updated also. But speaking of updates, guys, the blue car is now running. They got it running, everything. They're fixing to swap out the T56 with the T56 Magnum, but they got it running. It's running now. They're getting everything kind of buttoned up on it, getting the AC and all that stuff done. So guys, this thing is going to be insane when it's done completely. And then this engine right here is setting over here. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys. This is a Gen 2 crate engine to go in the black GT over there. However, as you can tell right here, this is what's cool about it. Let me move this out of the way. Oh, there he goes. Look at that, guys. Oh boy.
Cobra Jet.
There you go. Cobra Jet intake manifold, Gen 2 lone block, precision turbo, single. This thing is going to be rowdy. Speaking of turbos, guys, I know you're asking, where's the turbo content? Thursday we got our first box in, and as you can see right here, we got all the hard piping for the code side. We got the blow off valve, which as you can see is blue, which is, I really like that. And then we have the exhaust headers for the turbo. We have the wastegates, which as you can see are blue also, and then we've got the down pipes and the mid pipes. So we pretty much got all the hard pipe stuff there. We're waiting on the rest of the kit to get there so we can get started, mainly the oil pump gears and the crank sprocket, because I want to do that first, then lead into the kit. But guys, we will be doing that here shortly. Should be in the beginning of this week, and we're going to start cranking on that, so you guys will start seeing videos of that as it comes along. And then we have Bronte over here, and he experienced a 3-valve spark plug breaking off. How you coming?
I'm coming.
There it is.
Yes, sir.
So guys, this is a part of the 5.4 3-valve plug and the 4.6 3-valve plug that breaks off in the head. As you can see, all of that carbon buildup right there. That carbon builds up right there, and then it gets stuck in the head. Yeah, exactly. Dover was kind of giving it a friendly gesture.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, these things, we hate these things, guys. They're not, with this tool right here, they're not hard to get out. Anyway, guys, just a little something for 3 valves, but he's gonna be putting a Coyote in this soon.
Real soon.
Yes, sir. But guys, I just want to bring you out here, get you caught up with this. This is by far, I think, my favorite one out here. If you're not familiar with this, I'll go over it real quick. This is an engine that came out of a 17 Super Snake. You know, Shelby America got a hold of the GTs and they built Super Snakes, and this is the engine and setup out of, aside from the valve covers of course, out of a Shelby Super Snake. As you can see, Shelby by Whipple, all that on there. It's really cool setup here, and I cannot wait for to see this thing on the road. So what all do y'all like besides the T56 Magnum on this one?
Finishing the AC lines, I'm running them inside the fender well.
Yeah, I was noticing that over there. So you're putting the dryer right here now,
Right there, yeah.
And then you're running the AC lines in the fender well.
Yeah, I've got the liquid line done.
Mm-hmm.
Still got to do the suction in the low side line here.
Yeah. But that's really neat. So where are you taking this?
This will go to the evaporator.
So you're taking it
Yeah, it's
in,
basically, see, I got this hose on here, just kind of like
showing where it goes right
Yeah.
there. And then you ran this one right here.
And then this line,
all of it's out of the way.
I'll have cut and made. This one will go down to the compressor. Everything else is done. This is off of focus, and the condenser's off of focus.
This really cleans everything up in the engine bay.
Yeah, it was so nice looking in there. I didn't want to clutter it with anything.
Yeah, it is really
Just
nice
like the brake
looking.
lines. I'm running the brake lines to the back and hydro boost lines inside.
Attention to detail, guys. When somebody's building a car, attention to detail is what I like to see. I mean, just all the little things that you don't see. When you walk up to a car that's built, you won't probably notice all the little things that goes into a build, and you got to appreciate that, and out here we're able to show you guys a lot of the little things that go into a build. I like to get out here more, guys. I just got so much going on with everything that I'm doing. It's hard for me to get out here like I used to. But if you want to see all the stuff with this, go to Foxcast. He has all the videos on all this stuff to keep you guys updated if you're interested in these builds. And as time goes on, I'll try to get out here as much as I can to update you guys also. That's going to do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we will see you next time.